Today, around 4:30 in the afternoon, the information of death of Sri Om Prakash, ex-DG and IGP of Karnataka state, was received. Upon receipt of this information, immediately it was attended to. We have contacted the son of Sri Om Prakash. He is giving a complaint with respect to this particular incident. Once the complaint formalities are complete, we will register an FIR and investigate the case further.
Sir, who gave the first information to the police?
We received this information through 112.
Okay. Sir, which weapons is used to the incident?
See, there is a lot of blood loss. Possibly that may be the reason for death. So, sharp weapon has been used, it seems, initially, prima facie, because of which the death has happened.
Are you taking anyone in custody, sir?
Not yet, not yet. See, complaint is still getting formalized. Once the complaint is given, FIR will be registered. Every single aspect will be taken up. And once we are clear with the incident, we will take further action.
Who is giving complaint, sir?
Son of Sri Om Prakash is giving the complaint.
Still doing that postmortem.
See, once the FIR formalities are complete, post-mortem will be taken up.